Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 4. Solve the following linear equations. 4, that is x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Let us find. Value is x minus 5. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. We know that if a by b is equal to c by d, then we can write cross multiply, that is a into b, a into d, this one, a into d is equal to b into c. We'll apply this formula here, right? That is x minus 5 will be multiplied by 5 and x minus 3 will be multiplied by 3. By cross multiplying we get, by cross multiplication, 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 we get, by cross multiplication we get this into this, that is 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3, right? If we multiply this one, that is 5x minus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 3x minus 3 is 9. On transposing, that is on transposing, on transposing, on transposing 3x to left hand side and minus 9 and minus 25 and minus 25 to right hand side, to right hand side we get, that is 5x minus 3x is equal to 25 minus 9, or 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Or you can say that 2x, x, if we divide both the numbers by 2, we get x is equal to 16 by 2, 16 by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Therefore the value of x is equal to 8, and that is the answer. The value of x here is equal to 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.